Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a one setup trader. Remember, this YouTube page is to share with you this one specific setup that works almost every single day on gold or any other indice that you can trade to become profitable as long as you keep on seeing it. Remember, guys, I'm a scalper, so there's not much at this point. This trade has to move. So I'm gonna share with you. So first of all, I advise you guys to subscribe if you guys want to find like one trade that sets up almost every day. That's like you can see it. Um, and I want to prove to you that there is an algorithm. So anyway, the some of you guys know I trade Malaysian SNR, and I'm gonna be really fast with this video. So I trade Malaysian SNR. If you guys want a video with me explaining Malaysian SNR and how it works, then I will. But this is the template that I always follow through. Um, so let me just talk about this specific trade. Very simple. If you got trade Malaysian SNR, this is going to be very easy to see, but the entry model might be unique. Okay, so market, don't worry about. I'm gonna show you the high time frame later, but I'm a scalper, so you don't need to really worry about the high time frame. You can really just focus on um these levels, not necessarily these levels, unless you want a bigger move. But that's just me. That's just me. All right, so let's go to today's trade. Keep it simple. I was marking it up, and I was like, let me make a video of it. So today's trade. Okay, where's my chart? I want you guys to see this alongside everything else. So we go back here. I'm gonna go get it. It's right here, so you guys can see it alongside the trade. And the market's open right now. So where is it? Where's the picture? I gotta repost it. Repost it here. Okay. So super simple, super simple. If you know Malaysian or not, if you don't, like I said, let me know in the comment section, and I'll create a video of it. But Malaysian SNR is pretty much it's created a storyline of the fifth on the 15 minute, right? A storyline on the 15 minute. So what we see here is you see this open close level fresh on the 15 minute. The market tapped it, right? Fresh level. And then we want to wait for it to break above its high on the 5 minute, right? You see, so you have the 15-minute storyline break above the 5 minute. So we go to the 5 minute chart. This swing that created this one that touched the open close level, the fresh one, was this one, right? So once this breaks here, you want to go on the 15 minute and you want to make sure that the 15-minute candle, this 15-minute candle closes above the 5 minute break that touched this open close level, right? So this open close, this swing touches open close level. And you want to make sure the 5 minute and the 15-minute candle that breaks above it closes above this bare minimum. If you see a wick on 15 minute and it pushes down and it doesn't close above this, you don't, you ignore the trade. If you only see the 5 minute close above it, not the 15 minute, you ignore the trade. It has both the 15 and 5 minute. Okay, so that's step one. Let me do this. I'm gonna do this so you guys can kind of see call out. And also this, I'm gonna put this on my Discord so I can see for myself and just keep reaffirming that this trade works. So step one, 15 minute, the 15 minute. So you have step one. Now we got step two. Step two right here. Step two. Two. Uh 15 minute. Oh, sorry, 5 minute. 5 minute breakout. So we had a 5 minute breakout with a body closure. With the body close. Okay, that's step two. Very simple. I'm gonna literally you see if you go on my Discord, if you want to join my Discord, let me know. You will literally see this happen every time I take a trade. Every time. Okay, so we have this 15-minute open close, fresh, 5 minute breakout, right? And the 15-minute closed above it. Now I need this to retrace into another 15 minute open close level. That's fresh. So I wait for the retrace. So now we have a 15-minute open close. Boom. Now you might say, Rafa, what about this one? I'll show with you why this one doesn't work. So let's just say we didn't see this happen. Let's just say we literally didn't see this part happen. This come up. I want to mark all of them. That one, this fresh, and then we have this one. We got a whole bunch of them, right? A whole bunch of them below, right? Okay, so this happens. So you might say this and oh, this one. Which one is going to be? All right. So then now let's go into the 1 minute for our entry model. Let's go into the 1 minute. Now, what we look for a specific entry model is a strong high, strong low. Okay, so it touched it here, right? Now we need the market to create this structure. This is step 3. This is our entry model. Um, where is it? There it is. This is going up. We need the market to do this. Boom, boom. Not this one. We need the market to do this. I think no, this is right here. Market to do this. Boom, up, down, up, break structure, down, up, down, take out liquidity into the point of interest, and then skyrocket. This is what we need the market to do. So the market has to touch a fresh open close level here. So did it touch it here? Yes. Did it react off it and do this pattern? No, just kept on going down, right? So you ignore this. Ignore. Now we haven't, this is the break. So this is the break, guys. Don't get confused. This is just the break, this red line. It's literally, let me go into 5 minutes. It's the break. All right. Okay, so now let's go back to the 1 minute. So now we have this fresh open close level on the 15-minute, right? You see me chart it up. This is the next 15-minute fresh. Move this up a little more. Right? Open close level. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Did it do this pattern after touching it? Because it has to hit this fresh level and do this pattern. Nope. It didn't do it. It didn't break above here. Ignore. Ignore. The next one is here. Right? 15-minute. Let's go to 15-minute. 15-minute fresh. After this 15-minute fresh and the breakout. So now we hit step 3. This is the 15-minute fresh. Let me go put it here. Step 3. 3. Boom. Right here. Retrace to 15-minute fresh. Step 3. Simple. So we see it fresh level here, open close level. Retrace to it. Now we go back to the 1 minute. Now we got to see this pattern. We need to see this pattern, right? We need to see it because this is liquidity. This is liquidity. It feeds into the liquidity. If it's QML or this order block or this, whatever you guys want to call it, rejection block, order block, QML, open close level, but you need for it to break above this level. And I'm going to show you the specific way to look at it because we call this a strong high. Okay, so if I put this here, so high, 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 low, low. All right. Now market touches it, open close level. Good, we got it. Now I need this to break above this strong high. We have a high, higher high, lower low. So we need let me make this a little clearer. So we need to, let me fix this. High. Here. So this is the pattern. We need a high, higher high. So this is a strong high, high, higher high, lower low. And we need to break this. This is the pattern. You need this. You need to have a high, higher, high. It just can't be a regular swing. You need to have a high, higher, high, lower, low. That turns the QML. That turns the open close level. Then breaks it. So we call this a strong high. So this needs to be broken. because this is step four. And this will create our range. High, 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 lower, low. And we broke it. So out, strong, high. And guys, you can literally see this on my Discord if you want to join. Let me know, and you will see this specific thing happen often. I know it's a lot, but you will see it. So this breaks it, right? So now we have a high, 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 lower, low, and we have our range here. So now we have this. Now we broke it. Boom. So now we have a high, 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 lower, low, and we have a low, lower, low, higher, high. So we have low, lower, low, higher, high, and then we have a high, higher, high, lower, low. Now what this created is what? A range. Low, lower, low, higher, high, high, higher, high, lower, low. So now everything in here, you guys have to understand this. Everything in here is internal range liquidity to get into external range liquidity. See, the reason why the market needs to break this level, because now we have a low, low, high, 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 low, low, is that it needs to take internal range liquidity within this, whatever is the internal range in here, you go into external, whether it's up or down. Right? That's one thing a lot of the SMT traders don't really, I guess, acknowledge or put into their mind. The internal range liquidity happens when there is a, for example, this is some people call this a breaker. Some people call this a breaker. If you follow SMC. Now, which one is right? Which one is right? Well, that's why you have the open close levels, and that's why you have this Malaysian SNR to give us a signal, right, on where we think the market's going to go, which is going to go up because it made the pattern, the multi-time frame analysis, to go up on the 15 minutes. So we predicted it's going up. Now we have a strong high that was broken that created this low. Now we have a strong low. Hopefully, you guys can get this. Or if you guys need a specific video for this, let me know. Now we have a new strong low, strong low, and then we have a new strong high that broke that prior strong high. A new strong high, strong high. So that's step four. We have our range now. So let's go here. Step four. Market. So price. Price created range after taking out strong high. That's a strong high broke above. So we have our step four. Good. Now we have our range. So now this is going to be internal range liquidity. Candle one, candle one, candle two, candle three. Candle one, if it's hard to see, you just go to 30 seconds. You'll see it's a swing. Right? Candle one, candle two, candle three. It takes out liquidity. So now I'm gonna mark my liquidity inside that range. Because there's no other liquidity, so there's no other swing inside the range. So let's go here, let's put our liquidity. It's our liquidity. Boom, our liquidity. And what I do to make this even more precise, it has to take out liquidity and go into a 5-minute point of interest or 5-minute open close level, 5-minute rejection block, whatever you guys want to call it, or order block. But it has to take out liquidity in its range and go into so the 1-minute range or the 30-second range and go into a 5-minute point of interest. So let's go to the 5-minute. And I said, guys, you will see this example happen often. I'm not BSing you. You can go into join my Discord. I'm not playing. I'm dead serious. People are like, oh, I don't believe you. No, go trust me. So now we have our open close level here. 5-minute open close level. It's fresh too. So it's fresh with markets here. Step four. This makes it more higher probability. I Back to our 1 minute. So we took our, so we got it. So step five, market needs to take out so five, take out 1 minute liquidity. 30 minute, 30 second or 1 minute. It doesn't matter. 30 second or 1 minute liquidity. Feeding into 5 minute or sometimes 3 minute or 3 minute. And I'll show you guys an example of that in the future. Just be sure to subscribe. Like I'm telling you, be sure to subscribe. Three, 3 minute POI. And then you take a trade. I mean, you just take it. Like there's nothing to do after that. You take a trade. Now I scalp. If we look at our, where is it? I think it's here. Long. Our stop loss will have to be really deep, right? 4 point stop loss. No, I usually I trade futures. So I usually go about two contracts. I'm not, nah, I'm not putting my stop loss this deep with two contracts. So I scalp it. I usually go for 2.5 points because sometimes the market will give you 2, 3 points. What will happen? It'll give you a couple points. So I usually go with 2 points. My stop loss is 2 points. This is always like this. The um the market can sometimes it'll give you 2.5. This is based on my back testing. That you'll see as I keep on doing these videos that what happens. But the market will bounce off, give you 2.5 points, 3 points, sometimes four. Right? You think it's gonna come take out the high. But then it comes wicks down. It takes out this liquidity it made, and then it shoots up. I can't say I don't like that. I personally don't like that. So I'm just like, let me get out 2.5 points. Let me build my prop from accounts. I don't need much. Pull it out, pay myself. So that's just me. If you guys want to hold, yeah, you can hold. It's up to you, but totally up to you. But you see this pattern. This pattern formed in here. High, higher, high, lower, low. High, higher, high, lower, low. Break this. Breaks it. Goes above. High, higher, high. Makes liquidity. Made liquidity into the range, went to external. You will see this pattern happen over and over again. If this is one, if this can just this right here can be your entry pattern. But yeah, this is a video, guys. I'm gonna put this on my Discord because I usually put my charts on my Discord to keep track that it setup still works. And subscribe and like, and tomorrow we'll see the same trade happen again. All right? Talk to you soon, guys. Peace.